Today we're doing the case of number 7 of a minor arc below the interval, and it's the locus of arc z minus z1 over z minus z2 equals theta. Theta would have to be reduced and has to be negative. And you must, in this case, an example here is this, but you have to change that into z minus z1 because at the moment it's not in the form of z minus z1 and z minus z2. And so when you use algebra to make it in terms of z1 over z2, z1 is actually 10 plus 2i, and z2 is 2 plus 2i. And so where are they? Well, I'll show you. So that's 2 plus 2i is here. 10 plus 2i is there. So it will be a minor arc below. So it's actually going to be below the interval, rather, above. So it's a minor arc, and the major arc, you know, the other part of the circle is there. So the center is there somewhere. And this angle here is actually, this is Z1, this is Z2, that's 2, that's 10, that's 2. And this angle is 2 pi on 3. So that means on the other side of the circle, it would be pi on 3, which means that in the middle here, it would have to be pi on 3 here. And that's 90 degrees. So if I call this C for center and A and B here, I'm going to draw the triangle out here. So that's easy to see and calculate. And if I say this is H, that's your C, that's your A, and that's your B, that's your radius. This is pi on 3. So you have, you know, this distance, by the way, this is 8 units. So from here to here is 4. From here is 4. From here is 4. So that's 4 units. So you go 4 divided by R is equal to sine pi on 3, which means R then is equal to, and pi on 3 is root 3 on 2. So in other words, R then is 8 over root 3. And you have 4 divided by H is equal to 10 pi on 3, which by the way is root 3. So H then is 4 on root 3. So to find out where the center is, that distance is 4 on root 3, and that distance from there from the x-axis, let me call it D, is 2 units. So your center is basically is 6 because that's 4 units and that's 2 units from here to here. So the center is 6, and then you got 2 plus 4 over root 3, and the radius is 8 over root 3. And the Cartesian equation basically is x minus 6 all squared plus y minus 2 plus 4 on root 3 all squared is equal to 64 on 3. And that's basically Cartesian equation. And the complex representation is that, and this is going to be a minor arc, and that's where I stop.